Hey guys, hello everybody. We are live from the Deco Exchange warehouse. So we're gonna play with some of Damon and Parker's ribbon. Let's do a blast off with the tree. Okay, let's start off with the tree, guys. So it is directional, but you don't have to really panic. So remember, when we have a directional tail, we can take and we can make a cut. You guys want to blast off? Okay, we got this. So I'm going to cut it at 20 inches at an angle. All right, and I'm just going to, I made the cut there so I can have that tree come the right way, okay? Okay, so now I'm ready to go ahead and create my loops. I've got my first tail in. So you'll start it from the center, and I just have that little bitty overlap, guys. So don't be scared of directional ribbon. It's going to be okay. 7 inches here. And what we mean by directional is the pattern could be upside down on the tail if you don't make a cut.
That messes me up on bed sheets too.
Yes, it can. It can really mess you up. 7 inches and twist. Okay, and I'm gonna go 7 over here and twist. And you guys want to blast off, so we're gonna do 3 loops on the back.
Is blast off the name of the bow?
That's the name of our blow because the recipe is 3, 2, 1.
So what was the one I did?
Blast off. You did a 2-1.
A 2-1.
Yeah.
I'm a quick blast off.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. That works.
I need it quick though, or if it takes too long, I'm like, I ain't got time for this.
Yeah. I mean,
I don't have the
when you do a lot of layers, you do have to do that.
Stacy definitely had the harder bow.
Yeah. She did. I'm sorry, Stacey.
No, it's okay.
Started you a little easier.
It was fun.
So guys, I put the tail on that side, but I just realized if I put it on this side, I wouldn't have to make a second cut. So I'm just going to shift it around. That was the first tail I put in the back. I didn't plan very well with my loops, but it's no big deal. You can add it to the back. Yes, and there's a party going on here.
All we've done so far is eat. It's going great.
Yeah, it's going great.
Yeah, it's working for me. Okay, so this ribbon has a lot of red on the edge, okay? So what I'd like to do is kind of put the green in between to break those two up and have the glitter towards the front. So I'm gonna put the green next. All right. Do you guys like glitter in your ribbon? Are there glitter fans opposed to, are you hashtag no glitter? Let me know in the comments.
I like glitter if it doesn't come off all over you.
Damon wants all the glitter. You don't want it all over
I don't
you.
want it shedding on me. I like it when it
And
stays
she
there.
wants no glitter. So a little bit shorter, guys, at 6 inches. And I'm going to twist. And I'm going to twist here. Let's do a couple more. It's a good party to be at. So I'm twisting and separating those. A little bit shorter at 6, and then I scrunch when I get back here to the front. Okay, I'm going to take and cut that at an angle again. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with my red. So I'm at 3, 2, and now we're doing the red last. All right, so I'm still staggering my tails up as I'm cutting. Okay. Okay, so I'm doing my last loop on my blast off. This is the 5, so 5 inches. Now you could start out larger or you could decrease by 1/2 inch. You guys have the control over your own designs. And then I scrunch. So if I didn't want to finish on glitter, I could have come back and just put the tree right up the middle. Just brought it from the back. All right. So there it is all laid out, and then we'll take it off the bow maker, okay?
So I have a question. When you're
Sure.
coming, like when you're changing ribbons and you're going to 3, 2, 1, do you have a rule for how much you reduce the loops on each?
Generally, you can choose 1/2 inch or 1 inch.
Okay.
That's my.
That's
You can
usually what
pick,
you do.
but I stay pretty consistent. I don't go from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. I just break it down. Whatever. If I'm doing it by 1/2 inch,
It's the same on each.
yes,
bow. Gotcha.
yes. So I'm holding that pressure, guys, and then I'm fluffing it out. Okay. The last steps. Okay, I trimmed that off. And I think I'm going to put green down the middle. I think that would be really cute. Here's what we got so far. Isn't that cute? You guys, if you don't know, I'm at the mastermind here with the Deco Exchange team in New Orleans to learn lots of stuff. And I just couldn't miss Bow Wednesday. We had to come make some bows for you. So there's our center. Turned out really cute. And I'm going to put a couple knots in the back. Okay, I'm going to take and put a couple knots. And we finished that off. Let me show you the ones we made tonight. So we started off, we kind of went a little complicated at first. We did a bunch of layers. You like that one? Fantastic. And here's a simple 2-1, which this is a very easy bow to make. And it really, if you're doing a wreath with a lot of action, this type of bow is really perfect. And then the last one we did tonight, we finished off with a blast off, just to finish the night strong with the 3-2-1 loops. I think they turned out really beautiful. Thanks, guys.